Hi, my name is Ben, and I'm making a game in 6 days for the Godot Wild Jam, and the twist is that I'm documenting my process on YouTube, and I'm making a video every day at the end of the day with the progress that I made so far. So if you want to check out yesterday's video, I'll have a link to it. You can check that out. Today I was focusing on doing some paper prototyping because I realized at the end of yesterday that I didn't have enough of the uncertainties answered about the project in order to move forward with the digital prototype. So I did make a prototype yesterday, a digital one, but it wasn't really working. So my focus today was on getting the core gameplay loop and making a paper prototype for that. Now, I'm breaking my process down into two phases, the pre-production phase or prospecting phase and the production phase or mining phase. And I'm in the pre-production phase, and I have 4 days for that, and then 2 days for production. But I don't feel like today went very well as far as the pre-production phase goes, because during pre-production you're supposed to have a playful mentality and kind of enjoy the process, and it's about removing uncertainty around your project. So taking action like making prototypes in order to remove uncertainty you have around the project. If you're not sure about what you should do, then you prototype it and take action. And I prototyped all day long, but I feel like I didn't really have that playful mentality. I felt like I was under more pressure because I'm documenting the process on YouTube, and also because I have a short time limit. 4 days is not very long for pre-production. Basically, I need to get something playable, and I want to have something playable by the end of every day. And I do have prototypes, paper prototypes that are playable today, but none of them were very fun, at least not fun for me, and I don't want to make a game that I'm not enjoying working on. So I was disappointed with how today went. Disappointed that I didn't have really any tangible progress. I'm happy about the work that I put in, and I guess I learned a lot. I learned how I don't want to make this game, and you know, I've got all these notes over here with different variations, and so I learned what I don't want to do, but that's never quite as much fun as having a breakthrough, and I didn't have that today. I didn't have a breakthrough. So that's disappointing. Tomorrow my plan is to try and convert the game into like a base defender game, because it was previously like a lane based tower game. So I want to try converting it to a base defender game. I also have this other prototype over here that I could try making a paper prototype for. So that's the plan for tomorrow. I appreciate you guys watching these videos and following my progress, and I'll do my best tomorrow to see if I can come up with some sort of breakthrough. But at the end of the day, I realized that I have to accept the fact that I might not actually finish a game in these 6 days. That I'm going to take the right steps in order to prototype and try and come up with something fun, but if I don't find anything that I'm enjoying working on, then I won't be able to do it in 6 days. Sometimes the pre-production just takes a long time to try and find something that you're enjoying. I prototype every day. I've been paper prototyping every day since the beginning of the year, and I've only come up with a few prototypes that I actually really liked. And I don't want to have that kind of high standards for this game, but I do want to try and come up with something I enjoy. So anyways, thanks for following me. I'll have a video for you all tomorrow, and hopefully with some more tangible progress to show.